The crypto space is always busy, but in recent days, it feels like crypto reached a new level. Venture capitalists are pouring billions of dollars into crypto. As of December 1st, venture capitalists has poured more than $27 billion into cryptocurrency and blockchain startups, and that's before institutional broker NYDIG NYDIG announced it has raised a unicorn round of $1 billion on Tuesday, December 14th. And CryptoBank Anchor said on the next day it has raised $350 million. That gave them a valuation of $7 billion and $3 billion relatively. Major banks like JP Morgan Chase, whose CEO Jamie Dimon was a loud crypto skeptic, are offering wealthy clients crypto investment options, and hedge and investment funds like BlackRock are jumping in. More than half of the 100 largest banks are investing in funding rounds for crypto and blockchain companies and firms. Citigroup announced in November it has hired 100 new digital asset staffers. Standard Chartered, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, and BNP Paribas has each invested well over $250 million in the industry. The same thing is happening in payments. After a flirtation with Ripple, Wells Fargo recently partnered with Seller and Remittance and has started setting forex transactions with HSBC, a blockchain platform. Earlier this year, PayPal revealed it was building a new crypto unit, and in October, payment firm Stripe announced it was also building a crypto team. And shortly after stepping from the helm of the Twitter, Square CEO Jack Dorsey changed the name of his payment firm and early crypto entrant to Block, emphasizing its crypto focus. And Facebook, now Meta, finally dove into the payment, adding Paxos stablecoin payment to its $2 billion customer WhatsApp messaging service. You know, the same thing that is Libra, now Dime Project tried to get the world financial powers that be in a terrified roar. Then here's the major story. The giant global venture capitalists funding into cryptocurrency and blockchain reached an all-time high this year. Today, we're going to meet the three big venture capitalists who are actively making moves toward cryptocurrency and, of course, the blockchain. The reason we are doing this is very clear. Where VCs are investing, there is the money and the future. The VCs we are going to deal today have first founded Google, Apple, YouTube, Facebook, and led them to be the world-leading companies. Now they're focusing on blockchain technology and heavily investing in crypto startups, as they believe the next big era would be buried in there. So let's read out the blockchain investing portfolio of three gigantic venture capitalists: Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, and Softbank. At first, Andreessen Horowitz. The Silicon Valley firm Andreessen Horowitz, whose founder playing a big role in the development of the internet, aims to own a huge part of the digital currency world and set the rules for it too. Andreessen Horowitz is one of the most famous private venture capital firm founded in 2009 by Mark Andreessen and Ben Horowitz. As a venture capitalist, they invest in Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Airbnb, Pinterest, Robinhood, and all the other giant companies ruling the internet and mobile revolution. That Andreessen Horowitz is now doing a bold plan to dominate crypto. To push this agenda, Andreessen Horowitz, also known by the nickname A16Jet, has already funded at least 50 crypto startups, making it the largest crypto investor globally. It is also a major investor in Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges, along with a number of newer startups. Especially, they invest in the Sky Marvis, which developed a blockchain-based game Infinity, so they're praised as the early mover and the leader of the nowadays NFT boom. Andreessen Horowitz first cryptocurrency investments were in the late 2013 with $20 million initial bet on Coinbase. Soon after, Mr. Andreessen wrote an opinion article in the New York Times that Bitcoin, the world's first cryptocurrency, heralded a seismic technology shift on par with a PC in the 1970s and the internet in the 1990s. Bitcoin offers a sweeping vista of opportunity to reimagine how the financial system can and should work in the internet era, he wrote. Coinbase went public in April with Andreessen Horowitz stake valued at $11 million. In 2018, the firm started its first fund dedicated to crypto investment, raising $350 million. And seeing crypto's growth potential, they transformed from the venture capital firm into the registered investment advisor in 2019. A costly move that subjected it to greater regulatory oversight but allowed it to pursue crypto deal unfettered. The firm created $550 million crypto fund in 2020 and the third $2.2 billion fund in this year. The second, Sequoia Capital. Over the past half-century, Sequoia Capital has established itself as MB of Silicon Valley, from early bets on Cisco, Apple, and Google to more recent wins such as Zoom, Snowflake, and Airbnb. Now, the firm is changing its fund structure by weighing investing in cryptocurrency and blockchain. Following the IT magazine The Information, they are also bolstering investment in the blockchain industry, including the international crypto exchanges FTX. They invest in 10 crypto companies this year. Like Andreessen Horowitz 3 years ago, Sequoia is becoming a registered investment advisor (RIA), giving it a more flexible to invest outside of venture restrictions. That could mean putting money into the IPOs. By registering with RIA, they can make the investment of more than 20% capitalization toward non-venture structured deals, mainly cryptocurrency and blockchain. The third, Softbank Vision Fund. In a recent webcast hosted by Eurasa Group, Paulo Passoni, Managing Director of Latin America at Softbank, stated that Softbank is investing 10% of companies' $5 billion funds in crypto-related assets. But this is not all the Softbank has invested in. The Softbank Vision Fund has invested in blockchain, NFTs, crypto exchanges, and even the metaverse. Softbank is investing in blockchain structured but not in a volatile each of the cryptocurrencies, according to the chief executive of Softbank Investment Advisor. We have stayed away from the coins, Rajiv Misra told delegates at a 50th Annual Future Investment Initiative Forum. We can't quantify it. We can't put a mathematical model to it. Rather than directly investing in each of the coins, they mainly investment in a crypto-related entities, like BlockDemon, which is building an infrastructure to power the blockchain economy, or like Elliptic, which is aiming to make the crypto safer for financial entities and companies. More directly into crypto, Softbank has investment in the crypto exchanges eToro and FTX. It has also invested in Candy, which is building an NFT platform that is redefining fan engagement through the digital collectibles. In addition, it recently invested in an NFT fantasy football platform, Sorrel. Let's wrap up this video with a quote from Mark Andreessen. Mark Andreessen was a co-author of the Mosaic, the first widely used web browser, co-founder of Netscape, and co-founder and general partner of venture capital Andreessen Horowitz. He's now bullish on cryptocurrency, and he's interested in a decentralized system it's built on. He called the blockchain system a fundamental technological transformation on August 4, 2021 interview with Bloomberg. Adding to that, in 2014, he said that, "So we sort of have a theory on this, on where really disruptive technology come from. So the really new disruptive technology come from the fringe. This was true for PCs. Steve Jobs was like a hippie. The internet came from the fringe. No big technology companies thought the internet was going to be important, right up until basically 1995 or 1996. Bitcoin is a classic instance of that. Bitcoin didn't come from the Citibank. It didn't came from Federal Reserve. It didn't came from Visa. It came from the fringe. And now blockchain is in the early stage of mainstreaming today. Just exactly like as he predicted 7 years ago, blockchain is becoming mainstream. Amazon, Apple, Google, Twitter, all the giants who won over the early days of the internet revolution are now hiring experts and embarking on a blockchain business. So we can say again that the cryptocurrency and blockchain break into the mainstream not only in the financial industry but also in the many other tech industries. In the early days, venture capitalists rejoiced the internet and mobile revolution by investing in Google, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and all the other one startups. Now they're investing in cryptocurrency and blockchain for rejoicing the next era of revolution. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel and share your thumbs up. I will hop around the world and bring lots of thousands of funny stories to you guys. And see you again. Bye!